Let's learn with nature. Hello, my dear students. Myself, Poonam Lodia from Shri Ajay Gajera English Medium Primary School, Katargam. I am teaching science in Standard 3 and today I am going to teach you Chapter 1. What did Poonam see? Students, we cannot learn just sitting inside our classroom or inside our home. We can learn a lot from our nature also. Our nature teaches us so many things. So in this chapter, Poonam teaches you how to observe the nature and how to learn from it. Okay? It is a story about a girl, Poonam, who had fever and she did not go to school from 2-3 days. But sitting at the home, she learned a lot from the nature. While she was out, she observed different types of animals around. When she was lying on the cot outside her home, something fell on her face and she shouted, "Whose mischief is this? Is it crows or pigeons?" So look at here. Then she looked up. There were so many animals on the tree. So can you tell the name? Which animals did Poonam see? Looking at the picture, we can spot a monkey, ants, squirrel, crow, pigeon, myna, sparrow, butterflies, and parrot. Now, after some times, when she went to wash her face nearby pond, here also she found different types of animals. So look at here. Which animal you can see here? Buffalo, goat, crane, turtle, frog, and stork. Classification of animals on habitat. Terrestrial animals. The animals which live on land and can walk. These animals are giraffe, lion, zebra, bear, tiger, fox, etc. Now the aquatic animals. The animals which live in water and can swim. Angelfish, tuna, starfish, dolphin, seal, lobster, and many more. Now, aerial animals, the animals which can fly. These are bat, bee, butterfly, dragonfly, and all types of birds. So you can look at here. These are insects and birds. Now, arboreal animals which live on trees. These are squirrel, chameleon, snake. Amphibians which can live both on land and in water. So these are frogs, salamander, and toads. These are the animals which can swim, which can fly, which can crawl, which can hop, and which can walk. Now textbook work. Write down the names of birds which you have seen. So we have seen pigeon, cuckoo, sparrow, butterfly, parrot, crow. Which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Goat, turtle, buffalo, frog, crane, stork. Habitats of animals. Lives in burrow, rat, rabbit, mongoose, and gophers. Lives in nest, pigeon, sparrow, hummingbird, cuckoo. Lives in house, cat, dog, in aquarium, fish, parrot. And lives in water, jellyfish, shark, octopus, and starfish. Now the animals can fly. Pigeon, parrot, sparrow. Animals can walk. dog, cow, and cat. Animals that can crawl, turtle, snake, lizard. Animals that can hop, frog, rabbit, kangaroo. Now, animals that have tail. Elephant, monkey, buffalo. Animals that have horns, deer, cow, ox. Animals that walk on wall, lizard, squirrel, and ant. Now on the trunk, termite and squirrel. On the ground, rat, snake, rabbit. On the branches, parrot, crow, monkey. On the leaves, grasshopper, caterpillar, beetle. Around the tree, cow, goat, giraffe. At other places, elephant, zebra, horse. Now arrange these animals in order of their size. So first, there is the smallest animal, and at last there is the biggest animal. Termite, ant, caterpillar, rat, rabbit, cat, dog, cow, and elephant. So students, I hope you understood this chapter very well. We'll meet you again. Thank you.